On 11 September, Bubagra Shri Pradyut Manikya distributed electric three-wheelers to unemployed individuals in the ADC area, aimed at providing them with a sustainable livelihood. The beneficiaries, selected based on their good bank CIBIL reports, received a subsidy of 75,000 rupees on the total cost. The scheme includes a down payment of 62,530 rupees and a monthly EMI of 6,831 rupees for 5 years. The initiative is supported by the ADC government to uplift jobless bachelors in the region. Alongside the distribution, a cultural program was organized, adding a celebratory atmosphere to the event.
अब आ गया नहीं हम लोग 8 बजे मिल रहे हैं उसी टाइम आ जाएंगे हाँ उसके थैंक यू सर
Masuk besi kemarin ya Bo?
Abo masuk ke 6,138 টাকা
Pulau besi kemarin mana?
Pulau ke 62,530 টাকা
62,530 টাকা Tabung ke
6,138 টাকা
Koi bos sama sunai Bo?
Man lita abo 5 bosor.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for updates and don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the bottom right logo.